Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CATECOIN 2.0. Now this is spelled CAT with an E at the end, coin, all one word, space 2.0, that's the name of the token. And the ticker symbol is CATE 2.0, all one word. This token is about to have a pre-sale in a day or two on Pinksale.finance. It's a whitelist pre-sale. This token's on the Binance Smart Chain. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, CATECOIN 2.0. Now, obviously, CATECOIN, there was a token out before with the same name that did very well, and now it's 2.0 season, so now we have CATECOIN 2.0. It says a real meme token. CATECOIN 2.0 is the only DeFi meme platform upgrade and community-based cat-themed utility project. We strive to be a trusted source of information for everyone. No team tokens, no transfer fees, only buys and sells, contract ownership renounced, LP lockup is 180 days, 2% burn, 2% holder reflections, 2% marketing, and layer 1 and 2 central exchange listings within 30 days. So this is a whitelist only pre-sale. They have a whitelist registration link at the top of the page. You can click on that. That will take you over there. This is a new thing on Pinksale. I just did a video on another token. If you're watching this channel, that was, I just uploaded it yesterday about a whitelist token. I didn't realize this is a new Pinksale feature that you can now click on. It just says whitelist registration, and that'll take you right to the whitelist form. So that's pretty cool that they have this now on Pinksale. So if you want to get on the whitelist, boom, it's right there on Pinksale. Just click whitelist registration. It'll take you right to probably like a Google document or a form that you could fill out and get on the whitelist. Now, this pre-sale starts exactly July 14th, 12 o'clock UTC time. And just goes until July 14th, 18 hours UTC time. So it's just a 6-hour quick pre-sale there. Total supply is 1 billion CATE coins. 18 decimal places on this token. They have tons of socials on here. Reddit, Discord, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter. They have a GitHub, Instagram. Their official webpage is CATE2.0. Their Twitter is at CATECOIN2.0, and their Telegram, if you want to join it, is at CATECOIN2. So, on their webpage, it says Real Meme Token 2.0, the only DeFi meme platform upgrade and community-based cat-themed utility project. Has a countdown right on their webpage to when the private sale on Pinksale starts. They mean private sale because it is on a whitelist. Now, CATECOIN is a cat-themed meme coin that is designed to offer the holder a host of benefits that other meme coins don't have. So CATECOIN 2.0 is for creators. We launched CATECOIN 2.0 with the intention to add real value to the meme world. CATECOIN 2.0 will allow meme creators to create and earn with their memes in a decentralized way. So there's content farming. We reserved CATECOIN 2.0 marketing tax, 2% to content farming, where tokens are given to content creators whose content is approved and receive minimums of 100 likes and 10 comments. Each like and comment by new addresses will give 0.1 coins to the user and 0.1 coins to the creator. All users who hold a min of 100,000 coins can post, and users with 10,000 coins 2.0 can like and comment. All approved memes will be eligible for NFT minting, and purchaser will get rewards from the memes. Also, hold, earn, and burn. Earn by holding CATECOIN 2.0. You can share 2% holder reflections of every transaction in CATECOIN 2.0. You can earn with every transaction, and at the same time, CATECOIN 2.0 supply will reduce by 2% on every transaction. Now, they're partners with Pinksale and DexView. They have a little video on their page that you can watch about CATECOIN. So it says here that it looks like 4% taxes. Where does it say here? 6% taxes. So if you do buy or sell this token later on from PancakeSwap, after you fund your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, you can go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then use the contract address that you can find on CATE2.0 to buy CATECOIN, but you'll have to set the slippage somewhere around 6% because of that taxes. Same for sells. And liquidity will be locked for 180 days on PancakeSwap. So soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 25 BNB, hard cap's 100 BNB, and initial market cap estimate $36,545. Token allocation, we got 35.62% of the tokens being burnt. 40% goes to pre-sale. We got 19.38% going to liquidity, 5% centralized exchange listings. Now, the taxes are 2% marketing, 2% reflections, 2% burn, basically. Pretty straightforward. Step by step, they tell you how to buy this token off PancakeSwap on their webpage. In case you didn't understand what I just said, or you've never used PancakeSwap before, you could follow the easy instructions on their page. There is frequently asked questions, like what is the use case? Submit memes and get paid in CATECOIN. We already went through that, but yeah, they, short form, they have FAQ at the bottom of the page. Then at the bottom of the page, also on their webpage, they have a link to their BSC scan, PancakeSwap, Telegram, Twitter, their socials, all that stuff. Most of their socials are linked there on Pinksale, though. They have way more socials on their Pinksale at the top of the page. At least 5 or 6 socials here. Now, if we check out their Twitter and Telegram here, you're going to see how well they're doing follower-wise. So their Telegram at CATECOIN2 has 2,162 members, so they're doing very good there. They also have a different Telegram linked on their Telegram as well, at CATECOIN2TR. And then maybe one's like a chat and one's an announcement channel. And then their Twitter, 1,493 followers, and they just joined in July 2023. So they're doing very well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.